With 50 squares of luxury living, multiple living areas, 5 bedrooms, all with en-suites and walk-in robes, 2 kitchens, 2 spas and 2 studies. What more could you ask for in a family home? Right here at number 13 Westbridge Court, Waterways. Fabulous location. Let's take a look through. The largest families will find space to spread out here with a choice of formal and casual living areas across 2 sensational levels. Entertainers will love the 2 kitchens with quality stone benchtops, Blanco appliances and also 2 stovetops. Whether it be winter or summer, what a great place to entertain with the option of 2 heated spas. Across 2 levels, 5 en-suited bedrooms with walk-in robes are an incredible highlight that include a lavish ground floor master bedroom and a spacious upstairs guest suite. A study upstairs and down, ducted heating and cooling, solar panels, security system, it's a list that just keeps on going, and not to mention a fabulous location overlooking the wetland and just a short stroll to the local Nest Cafe. I hope you enjoyed the tour of this magnificent home. If you've got any questions, please feel free to give me a call. Otherwise, I'll look forward to meeting you at one of our open homes. Thank you for watching.